Why are you please?
What kind of dream is this? Ofo actually had the guts to attack my own brothers. It be like say these people want buy for this village. No, they just want craze for this village. They should not better come to reality. If not, Ofo, he would not even like me at all. Hey. Obi. How is Kano? See, you don't have to worry. I have taken all the food stuff to the park. Both gari, rice, maggi, I put everything inside the bag. The boss will leave first thing tomorrow morning. Why? It's again. Wait, let me talk to Ikenna first. Ike Bobo. Ike Dadimo, how are you? Isegini, you people are coming back tomorrow. You are done with youth service. No, stop this kind of joke now. What kind of joke is this? This is not true. What? Hey! It is a lie! You are joking. You people are done. See, you know what? Don't worry. I will go to the park and bring everything back that I've sent already. The gari or the rice, everything I sent them. I'm bringing them back. Eh? Hey! This is a big party. Everybody in this village must hear that I have 2 graduates that are done with NYSC from my father's compound. You said I should not shout. I am carrying my megaphone to the market square now to announce it. You're telling me not to shout. Everybody must hear that you people are done with NYSC. Give me! Don't see. In fact, let us end this call. I need to go to the market right now. No problem, eh? Hi! I love you people too. Alright. Bye bye. Hey! 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 It's again. Villagers, everybody come and hear. I have 2 graduates from my father's compound and they are done with NYSC. You all need to hear the good news. Hey! Let me go and announce it to everybody.
Hey!
What is that? Oh, here you are. Here you are. Here you are. Mebugita. I will kill you today. Ifuta, I brought you into this world and I will remove you out of this world here and now.
Papa, if you're not Kabu, NTA News, what in the song? Papa, my mouth, get it one, you don't feel do anything. Nothing when you feel do, one shoot. But I promise you, if you shoot me, what in my spirit go do here? What my spirit go do for this your shrine? What my spirit go do you? You know go good.
Papa. Spirit in them. Spirit anyaju. In working the spirit. More spirit no one.
This is the devil's hard work now. You pushing out the devil used to.
What kind of devil? What kind of devil? Listen. Do you know that a bird that constructs with its beak can equally destroy with that same beak? No, John, maybe. I brought you into this world and I can remove you out of this world and nothing will happen.
What can be a bed? You think concern bed? You get any bed where you see for around this place? I don't understand though. You carry gun they face me, you still they tell me story. I be like small picking. No, Papa, if you advise me, keep your gun down and make you advise me. Because I don't understand. You want to shoot person, you come here, carry gun point them, you see they talk plenty things. A bed, you can go here, a bed, you go that place, a bed, you go that place. What thing they talk, sir? You shut up. If you put mouth for this thing now, I swear to God, I go pump your jaw. I go pump your jaw now. You know what? Come on there, John.
Papa will shoot you.
If you want shoot, shoot.
Papa don't mind you.
You carry gun, come face me. You don't talk rubbish. Papa, to God, if me won't kill you, I carry this gun face you. I don't kill you since.
Papa.
You know now.
All these things.
He's the
devil. He's the devil.
No, kill me.
It's not you.
I am not seeing any devil here. I am seeing a fool.
Nah, but wow now.
Is the devil will never walk. The devil will never walk. What are you saying? A big party. In a ways of opportunity. No, you did not hear me clearly. I said my armies, my soldiers are coming back from Kano after NYSC. I'm joining them a carnival. Hey. Oh. Ugoja, are you serious? You and these your brothers, eh? So, because your brothers are coming back, you want to draw a big party. Anyway, Mezi. No, I'm not supposed to throw them a party. No, go and fly an aeroplane now since they are coming back. My dear, I am throwing a festival in this village for my brother. Do you know what it means? Have you seen any graduate in this my father's compound before? Is this my uncle? Call my aunt. Who is a graduate in this place? Then I have not one, no, two. You are asking me if I'm throwing a party. See, don't even get me upset. Don't make me vex for you, man. No change her for. Baby, I am throwing them a party whether the devil likes it or not. And as it stands now, I have gotten them a job in an oil company already. Bam. Keep quiet. Or are you waiting? Who you know? Okay, because me and you the day every day they can't number today, they see me less. No, you don't see me finish. You think I don't get levels? My dear, I don't arrange business. I don't arrange work for my brothers already in an oil company. Immediately they get back. Straight. Wait on. Ugochi, are you serious? No! I don't joke. Then they play. Aguan! My friend! You're going to fight me. It's too much. I the bad. I'm too cha. Yeah, you see, if you try me now, beg onions.
Don't make this kind of mistake next time, Godofo. I mean, because sometimes pride can make you do what you don't want to do. You know that a small thing like this now, you'd have been a dead man. But when you go Odeshi.
What you talk? Odeshi. Huh. Okay. Wait, oh. Is this how I do Odeshi? I don't get one single strength for that kind of nonsense. Because of that thing. I verse at the verse. Better para now, the para now. Why I just the ginger post like that? Nothing come on.
You too the para.
Papa to the show himself.
Especially where Papa did.
Now they show himself where I did now. Because he get gone. That nonsense gone. Eh? It's okay. I know they do this show. Time no day for that nonsense. But you go try to hold that man. That guy know. Papa they fuck up well. Papa they fuck up big time. I swear to God. Don't leave me get Papa for this world. Other people get Papa still they live normal life. But my own a different story. I don't understand things up.
Una matter on time for this house.
It's supposed to hire you.
I'm tired.
Who's tired? Because one day I go change her for Papa. The day I go change her for Papa. You know go good though. You know go good though.
You're also contributing to the team, making him points continue.
No say if I talk, you talk another thing. Contributing to it. Try to hold that man. Oh. He no go kill himself one day. They do anyhow. They point me gun. No say if you die abroad like this, now you go prison.
You don't go abroad before.
I gave vision now. I gave foresight. I need those up and down. One got to catch me. 1 + 1.
I saw for 3 square meals. 3 square meals.
It's for the good ticket.
Siren. Perfume.
Without you now. Without you now. How come I can't call you can't bounce my call? They chose. Something they walk you. I mean, want me to pump your jaw?
I was busy, so I could not take the call.
Busy kill you there. Busy kill you there. If it be one thing, I for that pump load your jaw now. You know mad? If I say don't get respect, oh. You don't understand saying no phone I ain't get this kaba. You know Jones?
Ofo, I am not your punching bag, Ofo. You cannot just beat me and abuse me whenever you want. What is it?
That's something to worry. You don't smoke Igbo. What did they give you job? You can't follow me to talk like this. You think I be Josie man? You think I know nothing the shop, Abi? Look at this nonsense girl, oh. You follow another man the chat for Facebook, you think I don't go see him?
Just see him, let's chat. Nothing more. We're just friends.
You say it? As I yourself, you mess up, make I tell you now. You go with the pay the guy as saw for 3 square meals. Just mess up anyhow.
It's a more to
Just they mess up normally.
Make I tell you, the mess up.
Man and woman they be friends.
For where?
Who the cap?
For where?
Who the cap?
Now be bestie.
Bestie.
Now be bestie.
Thunder, fire and friendship, you the mad. What I'm saying, I be friends. You won't want me? Okalam mad. Bless you something to worry you. If you talk nonsense here now, I go change your face for you.
Is that why you took my phone from me?
You the craze. I see they talk about food. This guy they mess up, oh. Don't follow one stupid guy like that they chat for Facebook. I just say the guy go be one Johnson guy. Not even correct guy. Not be like say the guy they top chat for his village.
Normally.
I don't even sure say the guy get parole.
Nah, Johnson. Now who get parole issue now? Who don't know for?
You gotta use your head. She they talk about phone. If you see that phone again, I make my leg go like this. That's something to worry you. You think how they play for this town, Abi? Look at this girl, oh. What do you take me for?
Who with your phone? That guy said supposed to collect woto.
I swear to God, oh.
Supposed to collect.
No shaking. Come on, the girl, smile, go give you rapid. Say! More the girl, smile, go give you rapid now like this. More the girl, give you rapid.
I am not going with you. After everything you did to me.
Follow up, bro.
I'm not going.
Guys, what's up?
Start. Yeah. Okay. I don't want you. That guy did that side.
Normally when you chat, suppose.
I go reason am.
Small but make sure you say you understand.
Problem, man.
Or maybe you don't spoil your vibe like
No, you don't spoil our vibe. I don't sense get.
No fit
Cha! Obi. Huh? Obi. 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 Hey. Obi. 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 Oh, yeah, call Obi. Obi. Ta. One night, Obi. Obi. Ta. Obi. Obi. Come. What be all this one now? What be all this thing where they do? Now me or for delay, now they walk out on. I mean, do that nonsense for that place. Me or for delay, you they walk out on me. Eh? Why they look me like person who see ghosts now?
Or for? What do you take me for?
Like my babe now.
No, I am not your babe. Because you have never treated me like one.
You know what you do for that place? I don't want to make those my men, they look me now. They don't look me less now. Because you walk out on me. Or for delay.
I don't know what you're talking about. But if you want me to treat you well or respect you, then you behave yourself.
Oh yeah, sorry now. Huh? Sorry, no two reason now. Sorry.
I don't hear.
Huh? Sorry now. You the best now. Why you the strong your body now? You don't hear, come close now. How for you?
She always answer whenever we call. Just in a very short notice. She is the backbone of the family. Hey, and she never complain. Now she be the mama.
You want to push me down? No, are you blind? Am I too little that you can't notice me? Can't you greet me?
It never reached for you to shout. Calm down now, eh? No vex, I just had too many things on my head. That's the reason
what many things? What are you thinking about that you cannot greet me? What is it you are thinking about? Talk to me.
You said what?
I said, what are you thinking about that you don't notice me?
No, Papa.
Don't let me.
You just said they fear you.
You provoke me, I will curse you.
No, I say you don't.
I will curse your generation.
You don't they hide the smoke igbo, Kaka.
How dare you?
You they smoke igbo. What is wrong with you?
Like you've gone out of your head.
You see me see wahala. So, see, it be like say you define my trouble this afternoon. You see that dream I had where I saw a masquerade and your son beating up my brothers. It be like say you want me to carry that anger pour for your body.
How dare you? Don't you know me? Listen, it's your life, no brother. It's your nana. Do you want to get lost? I'm asking you. You are staring at me. Imbecile.
Eh? Me imbecile?
That is what you
Okaka, it is your son, Ofo. And that's your daughter in the city that's doing hookup. Those are the people that are imbeciles, not me. Look at Okaka. No, because I stood here having a conversation with you. You had the guts to call me an imbecile. And you think it's the last time that you came to the market square, you were ranting and boasting that no youth from this village will graduate from the university except your son Ofo. The one that's always at the backyard smoking Igbo. Is that the person that you...
Stop that rubbish!
Stop what rubbish! No, I'm asking you! Stop what rubbish! Okay, you think we have forgotten? You sent your son to the university, saying that he was going to graduate. He joined a cult and they expelled him from school. Are you proud of your son? I am asking you, Kaka, are you proud of your son? Well, let me give you a shocker. You see me, Ugochi, Inakwe, I will surprise you and your cohorts. I will surprise you and this village and all others will follow suit. People will graduate from the university, whether you like it or not. Wicked man. No, try it and stop me again. Let me see you.
Hey! Is it me you're talking to that man?
No, I'm talking to your forefathers. I'm talking to
you. Have every right to vomit whatever rubbish from your dirty mouth. And you equally have the right to face the consequences.
Okaka, I will vomit every nonsense I have in this my mouth on you as far as it's you. I will say, put your hand down. Put this in.
I will.
Okay, because of this white thing you rub here. See, I have powder in my house, so I'll just go home now. Carry powder.
Are you okay?
What will you do?
Normal?
What will you do? Don't you
What can I say?
don't try that.
If I get angry.
Oga verse, if you verse, next time I go verse.
Let us see. We shall see.
You are just a broke native doctor.
We shall see.
You are a broke native doctor. Shall see who? Waiting me and you dey see your slippers.
So who is this guy that is taking your attention from afar?
You and I know I never liked Ofo.
But you're dating him. You both are lovers.
Agboma, you're sounding as if you're not my friend. I am dating Ofo because I'm scared of him. I'm scared he might harm me. There is nothing like love in our relationship. And you know that.
So who is this guy? That is what I'm asking. I want to know.
Why do you want to know? Just forget about him. Besides, we're just friends.
So now you're liking this guy already. And besides, I thought we are best friends. Why are you keeping secret from me now?
When did I say I'm liking him? Why are you putting words in my mouth?
You are, obviously.
Please, let's go.
Keep secret from me. I don't like it.
I am not keeping any secret.
I've told you.
I beg, go. I'm not keeping any secret. Don't worry, you will know him soon.
She's hiding it from me. Me, Hagboma. Whatever I wish to know, I will know it. Unless I don't want to. You see that boy? He will tell me more about him unless I am not Hagboma anymore. We shall see.
If I find out say you know that guy, you don't go good though. I know what they tell you this thing. If I find out say you know that guy, I go spoil things so.
Ofo, I swear she didn't tell me. She didn't. Didn't you find out yourself?
Find out. I want to find out now. Find out waiting. Abi she not tell you?
I asked her, but she refused to tell me. Serious about it.
Alright. You could monitor them. If they make move, just monitor and find out. Anything you see, just let me know. Yeah?
Ofo, please, I want to tell you something.
What you want to tell me?
You're pouring that thing inside of me, and I'm not comfortable about it. I don't want to get pregnant.
Why they talk like small picking now? Eh? What if person hear the same way they talk now? Pouring that thing inside you, how? Eh? But where I go put them before? I go pour them inside now. I go finish what I start.
Ofo, I don't like it, please.
I tell you I go finish work while I start. If I start, I go finish them. Tell me I'm pouring that thing. They cannot pour the thing. I don't understand. Pour the thing, you say, well, don't finish. You use your head out.
What kind of a woman am I? A sex tool? Of course, that's what I am. He doesn't do things halfway. And my business, if he gets me pregnant, what will I do? He even said, am I not a big girl? I can take it out. Oh God, no. I don't want to get pregnant. This is unlike me. What am I going to do now?
I surprised you, right?
Yes, you did. I mean, you never told me you'd be coming back to the one I chatted.
Yeah, I know. I didn't want to tell you. I just wanted to take you on the surprise.
You surprised me.
Sure. Are you not happy?
Of course I am.
What happened to your phone? Where's your phone?
Hey, can we talk about this later? I mean, people are here.
It's alright.
She's a strong girl. You can say that again. Let Nnakwe, their father, have strong children. One of them is this Ugochi. You could see the rhythm of her waist, which typified strength, vegan vitality. That's why they call her Iron Lady.
Iron Lady, indeed. She suffered for her brothers. We all see how she has been one of the best in this community. She worked day and night selling tomatoes and onions to make sure that her brothers graduated.
Oh, but finally this is dream come true for her.
She doesn't have time for men or nonsense. Her focus is to make sure that her two brothers graduated, and what is happening here now?
My heart is panting, please. Please now.
It's your mind, I'll keep it a secret. Nobody will know about it.
Yes. Okay, thank you. Let me see you off to your house.
Boy, Isoma, how did you know they were coming back today?
I didn't know. I swear to God. I did not know.
You didn't know?
I didn't know. If I had known, I would have told you about it now. Are we not friends again? I didn't know.
Okay, no problem.
Let's go. Please now. Momo is me. I'm begging you now, please.
So he's the guy. It's cute. And you guys match each other.
We're just friends, so nothing more. And we just started chatting 2 months ago. And please now, you know how insecure and jealous of folk can be. Please, I'm begging you. People,
don't worry, it's fine. I'll keep it a secret.
Are you sure? See, if you do this for me, I will appreciate you forever. I don't want anything to happen to Ikem, please.
I've heard it's your I'll keep it a secret. Let's go.
Are you sure?
Let's go, yes. Yes.
So we should go?
Yes.
Are you sure?
Yes, I'm sure.
Thank you. Let me see you off to your house. I hope you
Wait. How did you know they were coming back today?
I didn't know. To God. I did not know.
Okay.
If I had known, I would have told you about it now. Are we not best friends
It's
again?
okay, let's go.
But please don't tell him. Oh.
I won't.
No nonsense shrine. Bone just full everywhere. Anything they see, they will tire. Anything they see, they will tire. Tortoise self, nothing they inside the tortoise. Empty tortoise. What kind of nonsense thing be this? Other people they get life cow will full everywhere. This one na cow head. Never know whether na original head I been na drawing with that thing. Just now why you this man
I hope everything is okay.
Nothing is okay. Now this period now I can't see this thing clear. All this nonsense wey dey. To burn this place, they hungry me like this. I just say fuel no day. I know say fuel dey expensive.
Like to burn your own father's shrine is hungering you.
This ain't a shrine.
What the problem you find so?
This thing no be shrine. I tell say this man they want everybody. I sure say this guy na fake. I swear to God. This thing na nonsense. If you see the shrine where I go, my God. Hi. If you see things, cold go catch you. What about this nonsense now? See. Cow horn. No even cow horn.
But you have started again.
Don't tell me that nonsense. Started what?
Problem.
Which problem are you talking about? There has been problem from the beginning and there will continue to be problem. Problem go there until I finish this man.
So you are now competing with your own father?
Competing with which my father? With who? Which nonsense? You sure say don't be even this thing and they hold me nonsense? You know the kind of plan I get for my life? You know the kind of dream why they dream every day where they see myself, me and Dangote, they do transaction. Come, wake up, we see all this kind of nonsense. Now this man, the whole also. This man, see as you dey, you never marry. You think so na joke? Alright.
Oh, but you cannot be doing competition with your own father. What's wrong with this one now?
Can you imagine? Imagine that little brat insulting me on my way to my shrine. And you are asking me to forgive her. You are asking me not to treat her, not to handle her.
Okaka the Great. You see, he who kills a brother in a battlefield has not killed the real enemy. And the battle is not yet won. I want you to drop this talk about wanting to kill Ugochi, that little girl. Ugochi is an ignorant little child. You and I know how she was born in the family of Nnakwe. She's just a child.
Okaka. It's your Okaka. Speak. Say what you want to say. It's here. The Ugochi I know can never look for anyone's trouble in this kingdom. Unless you are the one that look for her trouble first.
Oh.
So, what are you insinuating? What are you talking about? The real enemy. If you talk about the real enemy is within. If you don't know.
Nwatakịrị tara ọnụ ala nne ya alụ ga-adị nkwadebe na ọ ga-anata ụlọ aka nne ya aka ekpe.
When a child feels is grown and then is able to bite her mother's nipple, such child must be prepared to receive sequences of uncalculated slaps. I did not look for Ugochi's trouble, so I don't understand what you are saying. She looked for my trouble. She was calling my children names, all sorts of names. Hook up, hang up, gang up, whatever nonsense up. Anything bad that has to do with up. She was ascribing all this to my children. For what? Nagini Mezel. So what do you expect? The bees will only sting the very head that alerted them.
Okaka.
I will not let her be. I will never spare her life. She must pay with her life. Do you understand? See, I don't think Ugochi insulted him first though. Maybe he's the one that insulted Ugochi first.
Exactly my thought. You see, but for Kaka to have come to us before, and for the second time, insisting that he was insulted by that girl. He's serious though. I think the best thing for you and I to do is to go and see Ugochi. Before this matter escalates.
You are right. But Uchi, do you know what is hook up or hang up?
I have not celebrated my brothers enough. I am still going to the market one. I need to buy everything buyable from that market. Hey, I'm serious with this party. You don't understand. I just feel the welcome party I give to them is not enough. I need to add another. How do they say it? I don't even know how to say it. Hey! Yay!
1, 2, 3. Alright! We remove hedges! Remove hedges! 1, 2. To our loving, caring, and amiable sister, whom without her struggle and effort, we wouldn't be putting on this uniform today. We want to spread our heart of thanksgiving, our joy, and our voice of praise to you and to God Almighty, who has given us the strength and hope to fight a good fight of faith. To our dearest big sister, you will forever remain in our heart. We love you to the moon and back. You are our sunshine, our icon, our role model, our living mother. We bless the day God gave you to us. Without you, we would have not seen today. We love you forever.
I love you.
Apple now. We love you. Apple now. We love you. Parrot! Replace hedges! Replace hedges! One, two. Ashwaya!
Oh my God! Congratulations! I love you too. I love you too. I love you too. You too are my congratulations. Congrats. My life.
My daughter,
Papa.
I called you to let you know that what is bigger than man is tomorrow. Because no man knows tomorrow.
Papa, is everything okay? Why are you talking like this?
Everything is okay, my daughter. I'm telling you this because of your brothers. I want you to look after them, take good care of them, no matter what. No, you are the only thing I have. You people should love one another. Especially you, my daughter. You know they are your younger ones. So please, don't abandon them, no matter what. Did you hear me?
I heard everything you said, Papa. Papa, you don't have to bother yourself. Taking care of my brothers is like taking care of my own self. I love them deeply and I will do as you have said, I promise.
That's my daughter. I'm very proud of you.
Thank you, Papa.
Hey! 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 Odogunam! Jesus! You have done it for me. Papa! Mama! Look at your boys. They are now men. They are even removing beret for me. They have grown into men. Odogunam, you have done well. I will praise you for the rest of my life. Hey! 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 Remove
hedges!
No, this one is for you. This one is for you. This one is for you. Since I did not go, let me wear.
We are, no problem. Hedges! Hedges!
Hey! Nice again. Now I want to understand what you just said. Is again.
I should do what?
Buy a goat
More.
and appease him. He's very angry at you. Eh? You would have allowed him go with his troubles.
Uncle, me, I'm angry with him as well. And you see that goat, Uncle, I will not buy it. Instead of me to waste my money and buy that goat for Okaka. See, Uncle, if I see any trailer passing on the road, walai, I'll run and enter the middle of the road.
Stop!
Let that trailer jam me!
Stop this!
Don't say that. Do you know who you are trying to challenge?
Who does he think he is? Does he know who he is challenging? Uncle says because of the respect I have for you two that I'm seated here. On a normal day, I would not even try it. You see a fowl that is sick, a sick fowl, I will not buy. An ant that is about to die, Uncle, I will not buy. I should appease him with a goat as what? My Lord and personal Savior. No, my Alpha and Omega. My King of Kings. Uncle, I will not do it. I will not.
See, we are trying to save your life, young lady. Don't be stubborn.
Thank you.
You see, we have visited his place twice, trying to plead on your behalf. But all he keeps saying is that he wants to cause it to go mad for insulting his children. That makes sense to him, perhaps not to you.
Yes. He said you called his daughter hook up or hook down. Whatever that name means, that man is in pain because of that name.
Me self, I'm in pain because he called me an imbecile. He insulted me as well. Uncle, you know I don't insult my elders. I'm a very sober person. I don't like trouble. But if you give me, I give you times 10. Yes. But when he insulted me, I had to reciprocate. And I fired it to his daughter directly. I gave him straight bullets. Yes, to his daughter, and I called his daughter a prostitute.
Yes, we all know.
Thank you.
Is that what that name means?
Well, Uncle, an imbecile is even better than that his useless son they call Ofo. It's better than it. Look at all the atrocities Okaka has committed in this community. Now, karma is falling on him and his family. He wants me to come and buy him goats to appease him. Uncle, I will not do it. I will not. If a man or four are the ones suffering for that, for all the calamities that he has committed in this community, I will not appease him. Instead of me to waste my money and buy goats for 4, you see, Uncle, I will sit down here, take my time and count all the hairs on my private parts. But
see,
no, you
look,
go to your goat.
The truth is that, can you hear me? The truth is that all that he wants is for you to come with just a live he-goat to his shrine, and that will appease him. That's all.
Uncle, let him come to my house and appease me with a fat female cow. See, I'm a god on my own. And my anger is very brutal. I'm very, very angry now. If he comes to come and appease me or apologize to me, will heaven fall down? Hey. No, will they gather this community, rumple it and throw it inside the bush? But no, I will not appease him. If Okaka is hungry or he wants goat, he should talk. Now we'll gather money, contribute money and buy him a goat. Why is he stressing everybody? The one that's annoying me now is that even if I buy that goat, he will not use it for any sacrifice. Or 4 will still carry that goat, sell it and use it to buy Igbo. Why will I waste my money to go and buy that kind of thing? Uncle, I will not do it. Mahemeya.
Ugochi, you want to die?
Die.
Ichie, it's obvious she's not willing to bend. Anyway, the truth is that we have made our point. We have made our mind known to you.
Udo.
But hear this from us. It is only a stubborn fly that will follow the corpse to the grave.
Thank God I'm not a fly, you.
Shall we? Let's go.
I'm not a fly. No, let him come and collect now. Well, he wants me to buy goats for him. Buro source of goat. He should come. Let me buy him choosing lion. He wants goats. Let him come and collect lion. Dala.
Big sister
It's like that man is mad. If he wants to eat goat meat, he should come out straight.
You understand?
Tell us that he wants to eat goat meat. Yes, I am than beating about the bush.
I promise him one thing. Even okay, just small rats, he won't even see it. Let him do his worst. I am waiting for him. That stupid man, I am waiting for him.
You know his problem is because of everybody in the village is scared of him.
Yes, now. What do they know now? These are low-minded people now. What do they know? They don't know anything. See, they are scared of death.
See, Obina, it's high time our people do something to incapacitate this man. I'm telling you. But your people are cowards, so I know they won't do anything.
Who are your people?
Your village people now.
I didn't know your people.
Which you?
No, you be his son of the soil. First son of the family. You are the last son. You are the last son of the soil.
But one thing I know is that no goat, no meat.
At all. You stupid man. Imagine. Goats.
They are afraid of death. That's the problem. Yes.
Hey! Anytime I see you people, I will just be happy. Why are people laughing at me?
You're very funny.
Eh?
This cap you're wearing, you're already wearing an NYSC cap.
As you people are graduates, myself, I'm a graduate now. I will wear...
Child! Jesus!
I actually called the two of you here because I have good news for you.
Good news.
Yes.
Okay, we're all ears.
I got a job for the two of you in an oil company.
Eh? That's not joking now. Just stop this early joke. I beg. Just stop it. Stop it.
The two of you people think I don't know anybody. No, you think I don't know anybody.
Oil company. How?
See, I have connection. I have connection in what do they call it?
High places.
There's one. Higher peripherals. See, I know people. Listen, you know that time I used to supply tomatoes and pepper in large quantities. There's this woman that I supply tomatoes to. Her husband works in an oil company. So anytime I go and supply the woman tomatoes and pepper, I will just make her laugh some more. Bam! This woman just said, I like you. Her husband met me too and told me and just saw me too and liked me. The next thing he said, I like your kind of spirit. I said, Oga, the only thing you will do for me since you like my spirit, I have two very intelligent brothers in the university. When they finish, I want to work for them. I said, it's not a problem. That anytime people finish, I should just bring you to YouTube. Straight ahead, or
Obi!
In an oil company.
Obi! We already have
You people are not shaking me that position.
Thank you. We love you. What would we have done without you?
What would I have done without you two? Anytime I see you people, you just make me happy.
God will bless you. Anything that will make God not bless you, thunder fire the devil.
I've not got what I know. I know how to
do. Sister. See, in fact, I'm very happy. In this case, since everything is fine, I want to get married.
What are you talking about? I'm not your age mate, Obina. I'm almost the same age with your older sister. And you know she's my friend. You're telling me you want us to date and it will lead to marriage. It's something I'm saying that is impossible.
Oluwaku, age is just a number to me. I don't care if you're my sister's friend or age mate. All I want is you. Only you. Oluwaku, I've been admiring you ever since we were younger. Please.
Obina, this is... Obina, you know your sister. I'm sure this will not sink well in her head.
Can you allow me to make that decision for myself?
This is a difficult one.
Let me face it. Yes, let me face it. My sister has been the one making decisions for me and Ikenna. Oluwaku, when it comes to choosing life partner, I want to make that decision myself. All I want you to do is to think about it. Whatever I feel for you is real. Please.
My love, I want to marry you. And listen, I've discussed with my sister already and she's fine with it. She saw how we're happy together the other day and...
Kim.
Hey, listen, don't say no. I've already started making arrangements for our marriage.
You're not working yet.
Listen, I know I am not working, okay? Very soon I will get a job in an oil company. And a very big one at that. So calm down, okay? Tell me what happened to your phone. And hey, don't lie to me. What happened to your phone?
My love, please, can we talk about this some other time?
Listen, if you don't tell me what happened to your phone, I would walk away and I will stop talking to you. So you better start talking. And hey, don't lie to me.
Ofo took it. You remember I told you my relationship with him, right? He found out I've been chatting you, so he took my phone from me.
That demon of a boy took your phone. Did he touch you? Talk to me, did he touch you? No. Tell me, let me arrange boys and go and beat him up.
He came, I'm fine. But I'm scared. I'm scared that this may not go well.
Listen, this shouldn't bother you, I understand. We'll just run away. Yes, that's the only way we can defeat him. Okay? So just calm down. Obin, calm down. You know I don't like to see you like this.
I know.
My sunshine. Calm down. I promise I will get you a new phone with the help of my elder sister. So John, Obin, see, I don't like you to scratch your face. So small. But don't. That's okay. Yeah, I'll get you. It's a promise. So make sure you don't squeeze this phone.
Hello, man.
What's in the sub?
Now how she hug her like this, kiss her more? Hello, man. Wait.
No, what's in the sub?
This guy hug and kiss her more.
Hey! Hey!
She hug and kiss him.
No, what's in the sub?
You?
Hey!
No, Baba. Baba, blood.
Hey!
Blood don't flow. Blood don't flow. No. Baba, go bring the match today and the match just move commence.
I swear to God, I will kill that guy.
No, Baba, blood don't flow.
I swear to God, I will kill this guy.
For this
Blood
town.
don't flow.
Hey!
I say she hug and kiss
Baba, blood don't flow now.
Wait, blood don't flow.
I don't
Blood! I don't kill somebody in the cup.
My phone! My phone!
I have decided to make her go mad in this village. I will make Ugechi go mad. By the time I am done with the medicine I'm preparing. Ogwala, now warrior. By the time I'm done, both of you will know what I am capable of doing. Okaka. Yes, we all know what you are capable of doing in this village. You are capable of killing everyone in this village. Yes, we know that. But please, tamper justice with mercy. We have agreed to contribute money by ourselves to buy the goat. So please, tamper justice with mercy.
We have come to you as cabinet member, which you are one of us. Please, you are here as elders.
Yes.
Please, just like what he has said. That is what we have decided to do. At least to gather.
What business have I got with your cabinet? Never! There is a great difference between the cabinet activities and what I do here in the abode of the gods. Just like I have the great difference between an anthill and a cave. Never! Never! I will no longer wait. You know what? Leave here this moment. Leave my compound immediately. If you don't leave my compound, I will turn you into something else. If I don't turn you into something else, I will make you blind.
Hey! Blind. Hey!
Okay.
Now become something else, so blind. My eye is important for you.
Ugochi, I am coming for you. Wange, I am coming for you. Just give me a few days and you will regret your life. I am not doing it.
Why they behave like this? Where am I go now? How? I don't understand. Why you no go day or day make I day my day? Why you go carry Igbo and keep on that table? What thing dey happen now? I beg, Papa, I don't like this nonsense. So I don't like this nonsense. You go mind your business for this house, man. They mind my own. Give my Igbo, I beg, man, come on for this place.
Uchigono. If not because you are my son, I would have given you a swollen leg. As a matter of fact, a manageable elephantiasis. A very manageable elephantiasis.
Papa, now
hey, listen, get out of this place. Remove those footwears from your legs.
Papa, now I want you to para me. Elephantiasis. What do you mean that one? What about hippopotamosis? Eh? Papa, see, I don't send all those nonsense we they talk about. Just give me my Igbo, make I come up for here before I go start to spoil something for this place. Give me my Igbo. Drop. Papa, I go scatter this thing now. Give me my Igbo. Man, go put something for head, man, do alright. Give me my Igbo, I tell you now, I know hear one.
Drop that of Fajeburi, quickly.
Papa, I don't send this nonsense. I go scatter them now. I go give me my Igbo. One.
A swollen hand. A swollen hand.
Papa, don't send any swollen way one swallow. Just give me my Igbo, make I come up for here now. I won't put something for head, I know well. Papa, I'll throw the scene though. Papa.
Drop.
Hey. Okay now. Emanka ọzọ. Isi kara aka na-ebe opiti. Bam! Papa, ama m na nke a ka oge na. Agwụkwa oge. Biko nye m Igbo m ka nsi ebe a pụọ now. Nye m Igbo m one. Give me my Papa, I go scatter this place now. Tell Papa to give me my Igbo now.
Why are you with his Igbo?
Papa, give him his Igbo, Biko.
Papa, I swear to God, I'll put the name of Igbo kita now. Nga talk here. I will tear this place now, Papa.
Listen. Nana hey Jokute Nadami Sokaparaka. They don't use stone to test whether the head is strong. But Aquacan hey, Buerini. Mano Kurana Hakonya Kuriano. Ta.
What is this man they talk? I talk of my boy now, Papa. Nothing concern me with Aquaco. Wherever someone Aquaco.
My brother said he's found a wife in you and that you are the one he wants to spend the rest of his life with. Do you genuinely love him?
Yes, my lord.
You do. And you promise to take good care of him. Obey him. Respect him and his family. Do everything possible to take good care of him.
Yes, I will.
I'm a manager. You know my story in this village. You know how much I love my brothers. I don't joke with them. No pain.
Sister, you don't need.
Shut up! Oh, Okoro. Are you the one I'm talking to? Allow me to talk to the person you brought home as a wife. So I ask again, do you really love my brother?
Yes, ma'am.
So what? Since you have agreed to take good care of my brother here is convinced that you must be his wife. We'll come and see your people.
Sister, we are going to see her people like for real.
No, you will come and see my own people. Did you not hear me clearly?
Sister, thank you so much. What would I have done without you?
Nothing.
I don't know what I'm going to say.
How much is goat? How much is goat that you cannot afford?
Uncle, goat no dear, but I no go buy am. If it's to spend my hard-earned money on that idiot, Uncle, I will not do it. I will not waste my money on him. Oh, focus, oh. Focus. No, you know the focus.
In my opinion, I will advise you gather the money together and buy him a goat.
Ugochi. Uncle, keep opinion, keep advice. I know they take anyone. I am not going to buy that goat. Nothing they happen. I no go buy the goat, Uncle. So me to buy that goat, my bend. Oh, if I don't bend, my curve. Uncle, I will not buy the goat. I no go buy it. Uncle, nothing they happen.
Something they happen, no.
Uncle, nothing they happen. I will
don't
not.
say I did not warn you.
Uncle, I will not buy the goat. I no go buy am. And that's final. No, true. Make one collect goat now.
I will advise you rethink this thing, no.
Uncle, I beg.
Think it.
Uncle, leave advice. Keep your advice. I don't want that. I'm not giving him anything, and that's final.
See, it's only a stubborn fly that follows the corpse to the grave. Warn your sister, or Kaka is not that kind of cheap someone that she should toy with. I will advise that you ask your sister to get the money, go buy the live goat and take it to him. Please, don't take things for granted. I've spoken my mind. Unam.
Child.
Child!
Sister Tagafu, I wonder why they magnify this old local native doctor or deity of a man.
That is the same thing I'm still trying to understand. So this man wants to tell me, or Kaka wants to tell me, that he cannot buy an ordinary goat for his spirits.
The useless
shrine. He can't buy goat for them.
This is the funny part. Just look at this one. This messenger. See where he's going. Kick him.
You don't understand.
I felt like slapping that man. This messenger, I felt like slapping him.
The thing you should understand is, even if we give them these goats, they will not still give it to the shrine.
Which shrine?
They will eat it.
Which of the shrine? Which shrine do you don't want to give it to?
You should have just told us he's hungry.
This man is lucky.
I'm telling you.
You don't want me to help you?
My dear, don't worry. Before you say you came to my house, now I gave you work.
Am I complaining?
Don't worry.
Gochi. My friend.
Black. My enemy. Oh my God.
This will be now.
So be not sure too.
Why are you doing everything?
You're
eventually doing everything for your brothers. Why?
Yeah. Oh, Chineken.
And you're planning of giving your brother a girl that he will marry.
So? No, have I come to complain to you before? Why are you crying more than the bereaved? I don't come complain to you before. Why are you I don't understand.
Because I'm your friend. That's why I'm complaining.
Oh, Chineken. Don't start with me.
You prefer taking care of them than taking care of your own self.
No,
it's not nice.
It's your grandmother in the grave. I'll go and carry her, come and take care of her. My own blood, my brothers, I should not take care of them. You are complaining. No, I'm not supposed to take care of you. Come and suck breast now.
No, Ulako, come and suck breast. Let me take care of you now, since you don't want me to take care of my brothers. What do you mean by that? Your own is too much. You have money now, it's for your brothers. You cook first, you'll be the one to eat first, not you. It's not fair. My sister, it is black. Leave it like that. I like it. They are men. Allow them to take care of themselves. I will take care of them. Reality. Oh, Chine, who send me? Who send me message? Obasagi? Obasam? Okay. We'll continue talking now. The other day you gave Obina 2,000 naira for a haircut. And extra money. For what? Is it a baby? For a haircut. You said it already. So allow me be. Ugochi. Obviously, you will still be the one to decide on whom they will marry. That is just it. As simple as ABCD. You know, now I get the point. In as much as I love my brothers, I will not go as far as choosing a wife for them. I will only make sure that they marry for the right reason. For love and not for lust or obsession. See, you don't understand the relationship I have with these boys. I am like a mother to them. A sister. An uncle, a confidant, anything is fine. Everything they tell it to me. Your own is too much, I beg. Your own is too much. My sister, you go try focus. Allow them to breathe. No, you go focus. Focus before I defocus you now. Which one is allow them to? I beg, allow me. Yeah. Ha! Oh! Problem. I beg, pass me. I'm not passing you anybody. Chimoka. Obi now. Ah! What happened? Obi! Wait. What happened to you?
Sister.
Somebody should talk to me now. What's going on?
Sister, don't touch the hand. It's painful.
That stupid boy. Off.
It's again. Sit down. Should I go to? You mean Ofo had the guts to lay his hands on my brothers?
Yes, sir.
If somebody does not die in this village, change my name. No.
Today is just his day, oh. Today is just his day. You see like a turning leg, eh? You will not see it coming. You're not day. When you see idiots. Okay, none of una dey house, abi? I dey wait for una make una come outside. You people have the guts to hit my brother. But life I catch your fall. Okay, nobody dey here, abi? Nobody dey here. Now this thing they make una they gather. No, make una come out now. Come out. Make I see. What of if any of you as much as touch any of my family members again, I swear to the gods of this land, I will kill all of you now. Imagine the madness, the adultery. Let me take up for my father compound again. Mad people. Let me see any of you in this compound again. It's yours. Stupid people. And I wait for now. Huh? Hey! Who did this? Grandma! Who did this? Who has committed this abomination? The ghost cannot do this. Ofo! Think about Haifa. Who did all this? Who did all this?
Papa, you and the gods to quarrel.
Stop that. This cannot be done by the gods. I am not quarreling with the gods. It cannot be the gods.
So what's in this up now? Because we know they have, we know just they come back now like this.
Who did this? Who did this? Who did this?
Papa,
the ghost will hit this person.
Papa, this is the way they even accept. We suppose don't they see good one. I don't know why you see they ask the question. It is simple now. Now that girl go don't do this thing for this place. That girl. Ugochi. Now the only enemy way you get, this you know they see vision. Now number one enemy now. Now she if you come do this kind of thing, no me I no go run am now. No man.
But why will Ugochi enter Papa she right now?
Because say na Ugochi. Now why she go do am? Because say na Ugochi. Papa is you. You know, say that girl they disrespect man.
Even at that, she's not supposed to disrespect the two of us. She disrespected us as past children now. Oh, she come inside here and do this nonsense. She's looking for my trouble.
Try and be disrespected both of us. Only Papa is disrespect though. But this girl insults me, Sha. Eh? A whole of 4 for this village. A whole of 4 for this village. This girl enter my compound. Not even say because Papa, I don't say my Papa. But for her to enter this compound, still can't get mine, scatter this thing. I go pump this girl.
But that's truth. That bastard. You're mad at me. Like your Papa house at the corner.
Like your own Papa house at the
corner. Your Papa house.
You get mine, go scatter my Papa shrine.
Eh? Ofo?
You go scatter my Papa shrine.
You get mine, hit my brothers, my own brothers.
God go punish your brother.
Die up on your shit.
I said God go punish your brother.
I said you go die up on your shit.
I said God go punish.
I talk to you, you mad.
Go to touch.
No, come near me now.
Go to touch.
Come near me, make I hit you.
Go to pump your joy.
Come near me.
Go to say go pump your joy.
Come near me now. Come now.
Go to I go pump your joy. Hey!
Come near me.
Who be this girl?
Apa?
I go pump her.
Gochi! Where is this girl? Gochi! Where is she? Where is she? You! Gochi! How dare you! You have the guts to attack my boy! My son! You have the guts to destroy my shrine! You! Now listen. Today, you will have a change of planet. You will depart from the normal sphere to the abnormal sphere. You are going to be crazy. You will become a cripple, you will become a dumb, you will become deaf, you will go blind, and you will go mad.
Okaka,
watch me.
You on your Allah.
You.
Okaka, you are a madman. You had the guts to step your foot into my father's compound. Okaka, you had the guts to walk in here. Shalom.
Give me a few minutes.
Okaka, I said wait for me.
Now you better leave this place. You better leave this place. Because if my sisters will come out here, you will not like her. Sisters! Chidikini! I don't know you barely know me. Sister! Sister, come on!
Okay, you go watch it.
Sister, don't you?
No, allow me!
Sister, don't you?
Allow me, let me hit you!
Please.
My madman! You and your
I command you to go mad!
It will not happen!
You must go mad!
I said to not
You must go mad!
You will go mad!
You tell him now!
You are a madman! No, come on!
No, stop!
Allow me!
You must go mad! You must go mad! You will go mad! You must go mad! You will go mad!
He's going. Tormented old dog that does not have respect for himself.
You should have come back! Let me get this! You go inside that shop.
Ugochi, how dare you? Ugochi, how dare you? How dare you destroy my father's shrine? On top of that, you fought my brother. Are you mad? Stop me! What is that? Try it again next time. Let's say you're mad. You never hear my stuff. Come on, brother. The curse!
Brother, now massage this hand. It's paining me.
Who try to massage this hand? They smell all the night. She put you inside, she cheat. But what they smell this thing like this?
Brother, now if it's you that they push it inside bush, you know smell.
No, this thing they smell like soccer away. I'm not fighting inside soccer away.
No, but
Why can't they smell like this now?
they push me inside bush now.
Maybe you fall on top of shit too. Sorry. That small girl, you suppose just beat her well. At least fall on top of her.
She's not older than me.
Older than you, that is why you're supposed to beat up now. And she don't old, all her bones don't weak. You now, you're fresh blood, you're supposed to beat her well. Just go misbehave there now. Sit in the national. And fuck off now.
What is happening here?
Papa, what you be like say there? I don't understand. You know, since I try massage them.
You are not ashamed of yourself. If you let me know now, your fellow woman.
Papa, but I don't understand. This is where they tell them now. Not be you cause I'm.
No mind.
Not be because of you all of us to go fight this girl. I don't understand though.
Can you just stay quiet? Respect yourself. I don't just want to talk.
Papa, talk.
Are you not ashamed of yourself? You are supposed to go and fight. You are supposed to go and defend your sister. Go and beat that girl. In fact, beat her to death.
Papa, the one way you beat, waiting come out now. How far now? I think say you go for us. You go fight for us.
Listen. Nanya, I did all I could do and it worked. They all worked.
Papa, don't walk. She dey walk up and down for this village. She dey walk up and down. Nothing happened to them.
Brother,
just there,
you will not know. Because the little we are seeing to you, that is the end of the world. There are more to life than the physical eyes can see. Somebody might be moving, walking, but then it's a living corpse.
Papa, leave all those
I've done what I should.
Papa, leave those church or where they talk. This girl don't right, I beg. No, they tell me this nonsense when they talk. Now you supposed to defend us. They tell us you're supposed to go fight. Now I don't know the kind of father where you be.
Go and fight back. She is your fellow woman.
Don't try, don't try. I'm not going to listen to Papa. Go and fight back. How? Fight waiting. Papa, here they make you and
I know all I did, all I suffered, all I worked, just for you people to be happy.
Papa, you don't do anything. Normally, Papa, as I did like this, I suppose they here. No, but I suppose they don't know that America.
You are not useful to me at all. Or you're not useful to me. Papa, listen to me. I won't be talking as you are talking. I sent you to school to go and learn and become somebody in life. You went there, you learned how to smoke Igbo, you learned cultism, all the bad things in that school. While I've already started making noise, boasting, bragging that very soon I'll have a graduate, I will have somebody. Now you ended up with. Look at how you ended yourself.
I know everybody will go school make up.
And you are proud not making it.
Not be everybody will go school make up.
Then people will go school will make up. Are they not human beings?
Many people say if we don't go school don't make up. Nah, people will go school they use as staff.
So you're one of those that don't want to make it. What is all this?
Papa, now you supposed to massage them because now you cause all this problem. Now you supposed to massage them. I just.
If you're not ashamed of yourself.
Papa, I don't get shame.
Go and fight for your sister.
Don't tell me say I should be ashamed of myself. Ashamed of what? What did I do?
Somebody beat your sister. You are here talking to your
Somebody beat your daughter, and you are here telling me to go and fight.
You had this baby people.
Why did I born you? I don't even know why I bring you to this world.
Why even? Normally, I suppose for this kind of place. This kind of this place now. Say na my papa be. I suppose that America they enjoy my life.
Don't do what you are doing.
Just born pikin, come to suffer me. I mean born myself. When they do am, you don't know.
Now she be the auntie. Western giddy by for.
What sort of dream is this? So with you they sent to sting me, right? There you shall remain.
No, you for come out now. Tell your papa make you come out. Una tell una go run this village when I dey here. Be like say una dey mad. Where una there? Say make una come outside. Be like say your papa dey run mad. Una tell una go run this village. I go run una down. No.
For you.
Dey mad.
Why they make noise for this place? Now you come back and make noise for my house. You know Jones. I mean, you don't worry for head. See, may this be the last time we go carry this nonsense come here. They mad.
Your papa left. You hear me? Your papa, you be like saying you're mad. You want me to run it, Abby? You want me to run it?
I should be the one asking you that. What are we going to do? Don't even know. As I'm talking to you now, I'm lost. I can't even think of anything. If this girl catches us, I am even now that she has not, we're already gone.
Money by disgrace.
You are what with disgrace? Huh? You too, you are a disgrace.
Shut up! I said you are a disgrace and I will shoot you where you go.
Papa.
I will kill you.
Papa.
I will kill you.
Papa,
I will shoot you.
I go kill you first. No, they talk this way. They talk. Just nah. Chop,
you
chop,
know
chop,
you're not
chop,
my
chop.
son.
Papa, man,
you are not my son.
You are not my father. Still be all this one now. Just every morning you go wake up just a ginger person anyhow for this house. What thing they happen, sir? Allow me rest now. What thing they saw? I don't understand.
Come, let me.
Come where? You two come here. Ask him come there.
I just want to tell you something. Come.
Me too. I want to tell you something for here. Come here now. Just everybody you go wake up. Just they make noise for this house. I don't understand. Person go rest for you for this house. What if you hear this one, sir?
What's wrong with the two of you?
Come close. Come close.
Hey! You don't come close.
Papa, stop. No, go punish you. Papa, go punish you. Again, if I don't go beat you like pikin, go punish you, Papa. Because if my papa can't do anyhow. Papa, come outside, make I beat you like pikin. Okay. Every time we go carry this your toy gun when they shoot anything.
Hey!
Ta! Check out. Papa said you dey she. Da, Papa knock me short. Oh, dey she. Daddy.
Papa. Papa, you.
No, I'm not going to I'm going to let you put anytime he's so karaka. Let him stand.
No,
Can this so?
It's me.
Papa! Nonsense! Tell you my father. This is a disgrace.
My brothers, please help me beg Ugochi. Release us, Papa. She insisted. I sent it to her 3 days ago. Unfortunately, it backfired. Oh, there is heat all over my body. Aku.
Okaka the Great.
I'm going to get great here.
This is unbelievable. So, you finally bow for a woman? Ikebo Parao. Eh? Hey, see Okaka.
Okaka, but remember, we were begging you some time ago not to kill her or make her go mad. You refused.
Oh,
but supposing she did not defeat you, you'll have succeeded in killing her. Oh yes. You see, Okaka, Ugochi told me that you practically came to her father's house to confront her. You poured her powder or whatever substance on her face, and you pronounced upon her that she will either die or go mad. Yes.
It's not the victim. It's not the victim. It's not ordinary. I've told you. Don't let me die here with my brothers.
Sister, I have made my decision. And I will appreciate it if you accept it. I love Uluako. I love her so much. We love ourselves. We are just waiting for the right time to tell you about it. And this is the right time.
Ugo. Ugo. Ugochi. God. I told you about this.
I know you told me, but I'm fine with it. I am happy I made my decisions known. Okay?
But she's not happy with it.
I don't care.
I'm scared.
You shouldn't be scared. I am a grown man. I know what I want.
You know your sister, right?
Yes. Allow me to handle her.
Obina, this is
Come
not
on.
right. I'm worried.
Relax. You don't have to be worried. Just relax. Okay?
I'm scared. Obina, you do not know what you're saying.
Sister, I know what
I said you don't know what you're saying. No, who do you want to get married to? Uluako. That is the person you want to bring into this house as your wife. Oh, wait. Is it her stature that is deceiving you?
Sister, I want to marry her. Yes! Obina, you're shouting at sister.
Hey!
I'm sorry. Okay? But this is my decision. Sister, this is my decision. This is my choice.
Obina, your choice is not sitting well with me. I do not approve of it. I don't like it.
Sister, it is marriage we are talking about here.
It's again?
Yes, marriage.
Obina, you are the one telling me about marriage. Obina Kenya. You that run around this compound naked, I beated you. You are telling me about, what do you know about marriage? No, come jigging me. What do you know about marriage? Hey!
Can I for once make decision for myself in this house? Can I? Can I be the head of this family?
Obina, you are working out on me. Obina!
Sister, Butu, calm down. See, sister, I understand how you feel, but calm down. Just give him a chance. Biko, Butu. Biko.
Hey, Butu.
Sister Butu.
So that your brother can marry an old woman.
No, Kiapi may be fair.
Now give me. Uluako decided to do this to me too.
Butu, let's just give him a chance.
Uluako, Obenya, what is the coalition? How do Ugochi, please, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm already in love with your brother. Please forgive me. You're still talking about love.
Are you mad? What do you mean that? Okay, now I understand it. This is the reason you've been asking me why I don't allow my brothers make their own decision. So this is it. So that he can decide to take you as a wife and then I wouldn't go against it. Is that what you have been doing?
No, you just have to accept me as your sister-in-law and your best friend, please.
Marco, you are sick in the head. Don't even get me upset. The only reason I'm still seated here thinking about this whole matter is because of my brothers. I just want them to be happy. You know how much I love them. I do not want any disunity in this family. That is the only reason I'm seated here.
I will give you the peace you need. I promise. We have come a long way. You are my best friend, and you know that. I will love you, I will cherish you, I will bring peace to your family. I promise. It's a promise, my love. Please. I love you.
Zugo. That's how you were running, looking for my brother. Eh? Uraku, my younger brother of all people. Why now?
I love him. We are in love. And I'm happy to be in your family too. Please accept me. Your best friend though.
It's okay. I just want my brothers to be happy.
Is that a yes?
Stand up.
My friend!
Because
stand up. You know I love this one. I love Ronnie. I'm not your sister-in-law, not sister-in-law.
You see, I'm not happy. When you were running around looking for my brother inside the bush, you forgot. Eh?
Sister, thank you so much. Thank you.
It's okay. I just want us to live in peace and harmony. The fool I could hear is the one that makes you happy. Who am I to say no?
Of course she's the one.
Since you're happy with me.
Thank you very much.
No, but don't worry. See what you're back.
Beautiful woman.
Handsome boy.
How are you?
I'm fine.
Oh, you're
Don't keep me shy.
So, how have you been coping since your boyfriend was banished?
I've been doing well. Do you know it was my prayer that made them to banish him? Yes, it was my prayer.
Your prayers? Really?
Do you know Ofo was treating me like a piece of rag? What did he do? Even when I talk, he kinda beat me.
Well, I really feel for you then. I fought for you seriously. But, well, it's okay. With that event, there will be no history. At least you are wise today because of what you passed through in his hands.
I know. Even me myself, there was nothing I could have done.
It's alright. There is something I've been wanting to tell you, but I couldn't say it because of Ofo.
What's that?
Look here. Ofo doesn't deserve you. Believe me. He doesn't at all.
I know he doesn't. And I'm very happy he's not here anymore.
I really thank God for your life. See, I, Osondo, I am the right man meant for you. Serious? Come here.
You're welcome to our home. Yeah. To your home.
Asi. You mean the company gave you this house?
Of course, exactly.
Hey! When I come this year! Hey!
You like it, right?
Ibu chukwu onye dị mma.
Ibu chukwu onye dị mma.
Ibu Alpha na Omega. Onye Onye bazu malite n'ogugu yakanji nasi igbochi Sugo. Hey!
You like the place?
This is beautiful.
I know.
It is magnificent.
I know.
Hey! My friendship. Eh? Thank you, Memo. Hey! Welcome to our house. Hey! That one. Our house.
Exactly.
Hey!
House.
Thank you, Daddy. Hey! Slow, eh? Around the house. Around our house. Around the house. Ọ̀pọ̀ remote wo ká. People dey go see the room.
Sister.
Be comfortable.
You like the house, right?
You see this house as I'm going to the village now. Carry this pan on. Yeah, freshen up, okay?
And she never now she be the mama. Where we no gather, now she be the auntie.
Yo, leave me alone now.
Beat me.
Leave me, Abama, leave me and I will beat you up, oh.
Hey. Osando,
hey.
I am pregnant for you, yes, and I'm not leaving you alone.
I did not impregnate you.
Mm.
Yes, leave me alone.
Mm.
I'm worried for the last time, leave me alone. So because I'm nice to you. Now you are telling me that I impregnated you. Eh? So, you don't know that we know that Ofo has been using you front and back inside the bush.
Eh?
Or have you forgotten?
Eh?
Yes. See, let me just continue from where he stopped before he was banished from this village. And now you are telling me I impregnated you. Leave me alone now. I will not want you again.
Osando, all I know is that you are responsible for this pregnancy and you must take charge of it.
I did not release inside you.
Hey.
Go and meet Ofo and the Kene.
Oh yeah, come and go now.
Hey.
Go.
I'm warning you now.
Come and
if
go.
I hit you.
Hit me.
Hey. If I hit you.
Osando, hit me now. Hit me.
Okay. Leave me alone, one.
Osando.
Leave me alone, two.
Osando.
I will hit you.
Hit me now.
Stop. Hey. Okay.
You want to hit a woman?
No! I should allow her beat me up before, simply because she's a woman. Eh? I should allow her beat me up first.
Please, can someone tell me what's going on here? What happened? I said what happened?
Nai. Osando got me pregnant and he's denying it.
It's a lie. I got you pregnant.
Yes, you.
Mercy, I did not impregnate her. I did not do anything with her. It's Ofo, Ekene, and Emeka. In fact, we are three. In fact, we are four. These four people I mentioned, yes. She's pregnant.
Wait, so you
simply because they left me behind in this village. Oben assume she's pregnant. Come on, will you leave me alone?
So you have been sleeping around with 4 men. No. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Nai is a lie. What's the any 4 men? No.
What?
Osando got me pregnant and he's denying it. He's the one responsible for this pregnancy. Nai. Osando.
Okay,
hey!
Wait. If I'm lying, Mazi. If I'm lying, let's go to Amadio and swear. Where?
Which Amadio?
No! Oh. If Afon did not sleep with you or Ekene did not sleep with you, let's go to Amadio house and swear.
No, it's a lie.
No, let's go now. Come on, let's go.
What's up, do?
4 men? So you allow all these useless, hopeless, good-for-nothing village boys to be sleeping with you? I'm ashamed of you when your mates are in their husband houses. Eh? And you are here deliberating on who got you pregnant or who the father of the child should be. I'm going to tell your father about this. Your father must hear about it.
Nai, please. Nai, please. My father will disown me, Nai. Nai, where will I go to? Nai, please.
Be talking, make sure you don't touch me.
Nai, please now. My father will disown me. Nai, please. Nai, where will I go to? Hey, Nai, Jesus. Hey! I'll betray this Yoma. Nai, please. Hey, what? I'll betray this Yoma. Will she ever forgive me? Jesus, Nai, please. Nai. Hey, God, Nai. Hey, Ofo, it will never be well with you and your father wherever you are for putting me under this stress. Nai.
Man, guys, calm down now. Look for legit means to survive. As they banish me and Papa, Can't give me, only me, second chance now. I come by this village. I got school down, even though say I be bad boy normally. So Papa no go come back this village again, ever, forever, like this. Try. The evil that men do, live after them. I go punish them. You better say me carry that nonsense shrine did that side. If not, na me for Bonham. Idiot. Oh boy. Hunger choke. Jamaka. Jamaka, how far now? This one will answer your name. Will you quarrel?
Now you shout my name. Oko Toriba.
How come you go to Riba again?
Now me they call like that.
How am I supposed to call you now?
No, why are you shouting my name now? Why are you shouting my name?
Who shout today for this thing? Why I take call your name now? How I take shout your name?
Hey!
I beg, stop all these things where they do. I dey hungry. Hunger choke for my belly like.
You are hungry? And so what? Like, where did you even reappear from? Like, where are you coming from? I don't understand. Just tell me, let me know. So, since you and Pa were banished from this village, you just came back. Appeared from nowhere. You don't ask me how I've been coping. You don't ask me anything like that.
I don't need to ask you now. You dey cook fine now.
You are hungry. What's my business? Am I your wife? Do I look like one of your numerous girlfriends? Do I look like any of them? Am I your mother?
All this thing where they talk no follow. Are they hungry now? Now it's in the board now.
Come and eat me now.
Oh, I no go chop you.
Look for knife. No. Come and eat me.
I know why they like behave like this. If you always behave like a young person before, for inside the same house, I better take this money, use and arrange rice and chicken. I beg. Take. Or you just do rice and turkey.
Oh, wait till this one.
Because I like turkey fast.
I should do rice and turkey. 2,000 naira rice and turkey.
Yes, now.
No. Kukuma tell me to add goat meat join. Let me add goat meat now. You don't like goat meat? 2,000 naira. Let me just go and buy bread and pure water for you to eat because that's the only thing. Will it even be enough?
Bread and what?
Bread and pure water. Not even chilled one.
Why don't they chop since? I mean, no think that. Which bread and pure water I won't buy 2,000 naira? Now container of bread you won't buy. Bread na normal 150 or 100 naira now.
I take now.
No. You use and arrange. Okay, arrange Indomie now.
Hey.
I beg.
Okay now. But now Indomie without egg. Sure you know.
No problem.
And they don't use donut oil or this thing cook am. Now water. If I just see am come in here, I go carry and give you. Sure you know.
Bye. I will just run and well again.
Now all those small super this thing.
Just buy them now.
I don't tell you my own. You come back. So see what you see. Yeah.
These children don't even know say everywhere too. Huh? See small Chiamaka don't they talk to me anyhow. I don't blame you. I blame myself.
What have you been discussing with your sister that make you stay up to this time?
You know my sister very well. Each time she's talking to us, it's always fun. Right. You said you were going to go. How come you're still awake?
Look, you are married, okay? You are now a married man, a family man for crying out loud.
You belong to me, not your sister. The time you're supposed to make out and have babies is the exact time you're using to discuss what I don't know with your elder sister. Why? Like, it's not making sense.
I know I am yours. No one is disputing that fact. My sister only visited us, and I need to be around her till she leaves. Well, she does. Come on, you can have it to yourself.
It has to stop. At least respect my feelings. It's getting out of hand.
Will you stop this? Stop it! Never you raise your voice at me again. What is it? She is my sister. Without her, you won't be here today. Without her, I won't be here today.
I'm sorry, okay? But you don't have to raise your voice. Remember, we are men in this house. I'm so sorry. Just I missed you. I needed you by my side.
Respect my sister. I don't want this conversation about my sister again. You see that lady there? My brother, they are my bond. My life. And I need you to respect it.
And what am I to you?
Babe, what is it? You've been like this for some hours now. What's the problem?
Okay, now. So you want to get your sister a car first before me, right?
Come on, babe. We've talked about this before.
You come on. Ikenna, come on. My birthday is in 2 days' time. And I need a car. Period.
Listen, I'll get you a car. You know my sister tried for us. We needed to get her a car and a new house.
Oh, please. I am not disputing that fact. I'm not saying your sister did not try for you. All I'm saying is, I need a car. What is it, self? What? Ikenna, I am your wife. You're not married to your sister. You have a family now. And your responsibility. Are you not tired of my sister this, my sister that? I've had it up to here. I'm fed up. First, she asked the both of you to stay under the same roof. And you accepted. She asked you to work in the same company and you accepted. Soon she's going to ask you to make love to the same woman and you will accept. What is it, Ikenna? What?
At least I made the decision of getting married to you. Come on, babe. It's okay.
Have you forgotten? She paid my dowry for you.
And that is the more reason we should appreciate her. Alright? Without her, I wouldn't be here today. And without her, you would not be with me. Come on, babe. Alright?
What have you been discussing that took you over 5 hours for getting your wife here?
I smell jealousy. Calm down. Listen, you know this is how we've been from the beginning. Alright? And remember, I am the last child of the family. So, she will always want to talk with me.
Really? Then you can go and discuss with your sister for all I care.
Baby, relax now. Come, see.
Don't touch me.
That's why you can.
Don't touch me. Ikenna, don't touch me.
Wait. Oh, yeah, shift to me.
Go and talk with your sister.
Babe, we've not done anything.
Done what? I'm not doing anything.
Oh,
I am not doing it. Ikenna, leave me. Leave me. Don't touch me.
Okay, I'm sorry.
Hello, Isoma. Are you still there? At this time of the night? Please come to my room. Yes, please. I'm waiting. Thank you. Yeah, come in. Yeah, so much is it? What is it? It's Yuma. My husband is still out there discussing with his sister at this time of the night. He doesn't even care if I'm worried or not.
My dear, I thought I'm the only one that is bothered about it. They took her shopping today and you saw the things they got for her. Shoes, handbags, jewelries.
This woman is doing too much. Someone needs to tell her what she needs to know. Honestly, and I'm going to do that. Just look at me. She's sitting there discussing with a married man. Here I am, honey, and my husband is not here with me. See, I can't take it, Isioma. I cannot take this.
You're sounding as if I'm not in the same shoes with you. My dear, we're in the same shoes. And they're even planning to throw a big birthday party for her.
What?
Buy her car and a house. What do we have? Nothing.
Wait, are you serious about this? Your husband told you?
My dear, I almost had busted when he told me. You needed to see the anger and the pain on my face. He even showed me the picture of the house. They are getting her a driver.
Jesus Christ. This is not happening. It will not happen. Not under my watch. Look at us. We don't even have a car. They don't even give us money. Just hairs, shoes and clothes. What is the height of it?
Let me even bust your bubbles. They are planning on opening a big supermarket for her.
You lie.
Mary, I don't even want to go further.
You lie.
Do I look like I'm joking?
Wait. But my husband never bothered to tell me this.
My husband tells me every day. He even told me that a man is asking for hand in marriage. But I say, thank God. My dear, don't thank Jesus yet. Let me finish. Your so-called sister-in-law says, she needs to pray over it to know if it's God's will or not.
Pray fire. Pray fire. She must marry you. She must marry. I mean, she can't remain in this home just to torment all of us. It's not possible. It's not possible. She has to marry. And she must marry. I can't take this. It's getting too much.
Hi, baby.
What? Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm fine.
You look worried.
Do I? No, I don't. I'm fine.
Okay. There's something I want to ask you. Do you have any issue with Iken and I buying a house and a car for our sister on her birthday?
No. Me? No. Come on, I like it.
You're sure?
I buy the idea. You guys are doing wonderfully well.
But the initial plan was to get a car. Yes. And a huge contract came up. Very huge. So we decided to add a house. Probably a supermarket as well.
Wow.
Yes.
This is really cool.
Of course.
Beautiful idea. Oh my goodness. Your sister is so lucky. I mean,
She's a godsend.
Honestly, I can't wait to see the smile on her face next week.
Come on, she has no choice. She has no choice.
My love.
Yeah.
How come you never mentioned any of this to me?
The question here is, how did you get to know about this plan? Because it was meant to be a surprise for my sister on her birthday.
Yes. Listen, my love. I won't tell her. I promise. I promise. Okay?
Come on, you know both of you are best of friends. You can just spill out something from your mouth without knowing.
We are best of friends, I know. And she's also my sister-in-law.
Please, don't spoil this plan. We don't want her to know.
I promise. I won't. Trust your wife. I promise. I promise.
I have to go back. We're actually having a conversation. It's a very serious one. We want to get in line. One property. So let me just go and finish up with her, and then I'll join. Yeah, you. Let her.
Oh, that's all right. I'll join you immediately.
My big wife, I feel so frustrated right now. I can't wait for her to just pack her things and leave us alone to enjoy our marriage. That one. She's not even ready to leave. That is the worst part of it. How can you ask me? How can you ask such a question? If I support my husband on his decision to get her a house and a car? Of course not. But do I have a choice? We don't have a choice, my dear. What do you expect me to say? I should come over? Okay, I'm coming now. I'm coming.
Babe.
Yeah.
I thought you were sleeping already.
I want to go and get something from the kitchen.
What do you want to go and get from the kitchen? Come here.
Something.
And you want to leave me all by myself?
Oh, babe. Am I running away? I'm just going to the kitchen to get something.
Okay, listen. I want to thank you for coming into my life. Alright? You're such a wonderful soul. Okay, babe, what do you think about what I discussed with you earlier? About me getting my sister a house? You know, big thing landed too.
Baby, I mean, it's fine. She's your elder sister after all.
You're happy?
Of course I am. Who wouldn't?
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Yeah. And I want to thank you for loving me. Because I love you too.
I love you too. Thank you so much for being my husband. I love you.
I love you. All thanks should go to my elder sister. Yeah. All thanks should go to her. Because she's the reason I am here today. She's the reason you are here with me. Without her, I don't know. Alright? You know, when I and my other brother finished our secondary school, the plan was to go for boy in Aba. But my other sister insisted we must further our education. And she fought to make sure that we are who we are today. And today, look at us. We're living the good life. And happy. And happily married to the best woman in the whole world.
And I'm married to the best man in the world.
Come on. It's alright. I love you, baby.
I love you, Mom.
Come here.
Thank you, baby.
It's alright.
Babe, I want to go and get something from the kitchen. I'm coming back, okay?
Alright. Don't take time, please.
I won't. Babe, stop staring.
I will be waiting.
Can somebody wake me from this nightmare? Can somebody tell me it's an illusion? This cannot be reality.
Thank you, Big Sis, for giving me. What will be
Babe, I am still
Thank you.
I'm so happy you're happy.
Very, very excited.
I surprised you, right?
Of course.
I know it's not your birthday. All thanks to my big sister, your friend.
Oh, your sister?
Yes. My sister was actually the one who persuaded me to get you a car. In fact, she said Ikena and I should present those cars on the same day. Yeah.
Really nice.
Thank you.
But
Guess what? She even suggested we take our wives on a trip. Yes, she just wants us to explore. You know, my sister is always this enjoyment kind of person. She wants us happy. And I'm so happy to have her as my sister.
That's really nice.
Thank you.
I'm happy. Thank you so much for listening to your sister. I'm doing what she asked you to do.
You don't always do that.
And sweetheart.
Yeah?
There is this thing that has been bothering me. Why is your sister regretting all the sweetness that come? I mean, Joe that is in your company is a very gentle guy, very demure, mindful, God-fearing. I mean, he's everything. So why is she not accepting? Why?
She's a friend, right?
Mm-hmm.
So why not ask her? Just go to her and ask her. Why asking me?
I did.
And what did she say?
I think she told me that she's praying over it.
Exactly. That is the same thing she told me.
God.
What do you want me to do?
Your sister is very stubborn. I don't get it.
Oh. Come on. I'm just happy you're happy.
Thank you for making me happy.
I hope you're not expecting a welcome from me.
Of course.
You people think I'm joking about what I'm saying. I am dead serious. Any man that wants to get married to me must know that I hold my brothers in high esteem. Yes, so, and the same respect I give to them is the same respect he will give to them. Once he marries me, we must stay in the same seat. If possible, have the same stay. I think if we're a neighbor, self better for me. Yes, now. Anytime I want to come and visit my brother, I'll just leave my house and enter my brother's house. At least I'll be seeing my friend and my wife. I will all be happy, or you would like it if I come here. Of course, why not?
We always want you around. We appreciate your presence. And you know, we've been learning a lot of things from you. Yes, you've taught us what family is all about.
My dear, family is everything.
Yes, so
you see, family, if there is peace and unity in family, family is sweet.
Yes, very sweet.
Family is the sweetest thing ever. Meanwhile, did they buy the new cars for us to park them outside the gates?
It's not for us to use and go out, you know. You play loud music, you
Bola.
just jam. You forgotten me? They call me queen of rock and roll in the village.
I know.
Our Bola. Number one.
I know.
Let's go and have fun. Meanwhile, whose car will be out with?
It's someone's car. Yes, my car.
Of course.
It would have been fine, oh. And you know me, I like that your car well. But the thing is, let's go with the first wife's car. At least let's give her some respect.
Why my car? If someone's car is
No! You know I like to do things accord. Because let's go with your car.
Your car now.
Meanwhile, let me go upstairs and go and change. Let me remove the aqua choosing. Let me remove this choosing gown.
No problem.
Let me go and wear a Bola's gown.
Bola.
Bola! Because you see that your wig, that one that you hung inside the room. That's the one I want to rock. Hope there's no problem.
No.
Because I'm coming there. Let me go and change.
Take the time.
I'm coming. Real nice perfume. The one in my room.
Jesus Christ. Can you imagine that? She wants to use my expensive wig. That local champion.
Wait. What does your sister-in-law think of herself?
No, your sister-in-law, not mine.
Like, she wants to take us out. City girls like us.
Oscar. Hey, God. That smelling thing. Ever since she came into this house, I've been buying different air freshener.
What do you expect from a local champion? You already said
jeez.
When is she even going?
I can't wait for her to go. Like, I'm done. I'm tired already. What's this nonsense for? We are friends and so what? Can't I breathe in my own house? What nonsense.
Sister!
Baby, are you okay? What happened?
What kind of a dream is this?
When you talk to me, what happened?
My sister, a witch?
Your sister, a witch. Your sister, a witch. Your sister cannot be a witch, and you know that. Talk to me, what happened?
She wanted to kill me.
Your sister. It's just a dream, okay? Your sister cannot do anything like that. Just a dream. Come on, go back to bed. Sleep now. Just a dream.
No, sister.
Baby. What is it?
Are you okay?
Baby, I'm fine.
My sister. Yes, she killed you. Yes, she killed you and she attacked me.
God forbid. Calm down.
Are you okay?
Baby, I'm fine, as you can see. I'm okay. I'm sure you had a bad dream.
This is more than a dream. This is not a dream. It was real. It was so real. I know what I am saying, babe.
Listen to me. Your sister that I know cannot do such a thing. She loves you so much. Okay?
I know, but I'm scared.
Please, don't be. Okay? I'm here. Come here. If nothing will happen to us, okay?
I know.
Let's go back to sleep.
Okay.
You know what? Just hold me so you don't have bad dreams. Okay?
It's no problem. I think I'm going to be okay.
Amen.
Can somebody wake me from this nightmare? Can somebody tell me it's an illusion? This cannot be reality.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Birthday to you, sister in love. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Hip hip hip, hooray! Hip hip hip, hooray! Happy birthday. I love you. I love you too. I love you, baby. Oh, this is so sweet. I didn't even know if you were going to remember. We wanted to surprise you. I have the best sister in the Thank you. Thank you. It's fine.
You just switch. You are a witch.
Honey, I was going to...
Do not interrupt me. You think we don't know your plans? Of course we know why you came into this house. You came to bewitch us, right? Don't even pretend as if you don't know what he's talking about.
Baby, what is going on? Wait. This kind of prank is too...
Who is pranking you? You think it's a prank, right? You think we don't know your plans? You're planning to kill both of us, right?
Jesus, good for...
Of course that is what you're doing!
No.
We saw everything, I've seen everything! That is why you are in this house!
You guys should stop this, please.
You were supposed to be our sister, but you are an enemy, not an enemy. You are evil, not an enemy, not a witch.
Obinna, what kind of joke is this now? This joke is... Today is my birthday, don't want to make one here. What kind of joke is this?
This house. Obinna, you're still wasting time. You're wasting time. Go up there and bring down that thing. I don't want to see you in this house again.
Your sister cannot be a
witch. You're wasting time.
I believe it's...
Sister, you think I don't know what you were doing?
Can you stop?
You have been exposed.
What kind of joke?
Your plan is to kill I and Obinna. This is your plan. I never knew you were a witch. I never knew you were a witch, but it is clear. It is clear. Leave, please. How are you? No! I don't want to enjoy you. Leave. I'm talking about you. I don't want to you. Just leave in peace. Just leave this house. Leave this house.
Don't do anything. I'm not...
I will carry you. What is this? I'm leaving this house.
Respect yourself.
Let me walk now.
I know her
You
now.
push her out if she doesn't want to go.
She like that. She's not like that. She's not a witch.
What kind of thing is that? I never knew this woman is a witch. All she's trying to do is to kill us and take everything that belongs to us. But her plan has failed. It has failed.
Baby, just calm down.
Now, calm down.
Ugochi.
Calm down. Obinna, see.
Ugochi a witch? Baby!
Can somebody wake me from this nightmare? Can somebody tell me it's an illusion? This cannot be reality. I nearly oh, I am married to man.
The nurse said I should come and see you. I wouldn't know why that is. I was here the last time and they ran some tests on me because I was feeling nauseous. But I came back here for my results and she said I should come to you. Oh, is there a problem? Where's my results, please?
Your results?
You know, when most people get your kind of results, they tend to think it's the end of their lives. But you don't need to worry yourself. There's a free medication. All you need to do is to take them seriously.
Doctor, you're getting me confused. What do you mean there is no free medication and my kind of results? I don't understand. What are you talking about?
We ran a general test on you and everything is fine. But we discovered a little bit of malaria. But
But what?
You are HIV positive. You don't have to worry yourself. Like I said earlier, the medication is free. All you need to do is to take them seriously. And within a couple of months, you'll be fine. Okay?
Can somebody wake me from this nightmare? Can somebody tell me it's an illusion? This cannot be reality. I nearly oh, Anya miri jurumanya. Oh, obieti wala boy. Anya miri jurumanya. Oh, chime. Obieti wala boy.
Chief, I don't know why you are saying this to me. It's been a long time you promised me that my brothers were going to get this job. Yes. I don't know how marriage came into this talk again. Please, I'm begging you in the name of God. I have given my brothers assurance that they will get this job. What you're asking me to do is something I cannot offer. And remember, your late wife and I were very good friends. Please, I am begging you, just let's leave this marriage talk, and I promise you any other thing you want, I'll give it to you. But you see, this one, I can't do it. Please. Please, sir.
Baby girl.
Sir?
Like I said, you have to lose what you have and get what you need. I said, you don't want your mother to get the job. Like I said, one night with you, I'm okay. I have the job.
I can't. If he needs me home, please, I'm begging you. I don't want to disappoint my brothers. I'm begging you.
Yeah. Choose what you want. One night stand with you or marriage.
I can't do any of them. Sir?
Are you okay? What is the matter?
Nothing. I'm fine. I'm okay. I'm okay.
Okay. Yeah, sister, we really need to work in that oil company. Yes. You said the man is back from abroad. And we still haven't heard from him. Huh? You know how long we've been waiting for this job. I just hope our wait is not going to be in vain. I hope he is going to keep to his promises. Sister Biko, please, oh, we need to work in that company. I hope you understand what I'm saying. Sister? Sister?
Obi.
Sister, what is it?
He's fine. I mean, yes. We are on it. We're almost...
Are you sure you're okay?
I'm fine. Obi, I said I am fine. I'm fine.
Can somebody wake me from this nightmare? Can somebody tell me it's an illusion? This cannot be reality. I live where somebody tell me that I'm dreaming? Can somebody wake me from this nightmare? Can somebody tell me it's an illusion? This cannot be reality. I nearly Anyamiri Jurumanya. Obieti wala moy. Obieti wala moy. Anyamiri Jurumanya. Chime. Obieti wala moy. Obieti wala moy.
This is not the promise you made to me. What are you trying to do, my daughter?
Papa, I'm tired. I am broken, Papa. I lived my life for my brothers. I put my life on hold just so they could win. Obinanikena called me a witch. They threw me out of their house like a common thief. Papa, I am HIV positive because of my brothers. I can't continue like this. I know this is not what I promised. But this is the way I want to end it. I'm tired. Papa, I'm tired.
Come. Do not kill yourself. This is not the time to die. Follow me. I'll show you some leaves that can take care of your health. You deserve to live for them.
How far?
Can somebody tell me that I'm dreaming? Can somebody wake me from this night?
So, how did it go?
It was so perfect and smooth. Yes. Just as you said. We have come back to say thank you. Thank you.
Thank the gods. Honestly, I'm so glad that both of you are here to give a testimony.
Thank you, Kaka. One more thing.
Speak.
We want to have dominion over our husbands. We want to control them. We want them to do anything we ask them to do without any hesitation.
Yes, Okaka. I want to take charge over my husband. We want to take charge over our husbands. And we know you can do it.
Yes. I want my husband to build a duplex in my father's compound. And I want my name written in all his financial documents.
I want same, but in a bigger way. I want my husband to do more than what she just mentioned.
Simply, you want to turn your husbands into slaves.
Exactly.
Yes.
Exactly.
Consider it done.
Thank you.
Thank you so
much. We
much.
trust you. We trust
Thank
you.
the gods. The gods are always wise. Those bottles there, you have them.
Yes.
Before you allow your husbands to make love to you, apply the content on your private part. You must have done your best. Leave the rest for the gods. You must have thrown a bone out there. Watch the battle between the dog and the spirit. Having done that, watch your husbands will become dummy.
I can't
zombie.
Thank you so
much. They have no option than to do whatever you wish them to do.
Thank you. Thank you so
Their
much.
senses will be gone.
Thank you. Thank you. And we promise to come back with bigger things to appreciate you. Yes. We'll come back in a bigger way.
It's okay. I trust you. You came back, like I said earlier, to appreciate. You equally come back to appreciate in a bigger way. Because you will see this happening. That girl in question, let me tell you this, dealt with me. That girl made me lose so many friends. In fact, I lost all my friends. That girl turned my life upside down. That girl made me find myself in exile. And she will pay for all this. Just do what I have asked you to do. Leave the rest for the gods.
Thank you, Okaka. Thank you so much. We will come back again.
Yes.
With bigger testimony. Thank you.
You're welcome.
We have to go.
You can leave. Leave.
Thank you so much.
Leave. Achuanozo buanozo, achuanozo buanozo, achuanozo asuanozo. Imazu nyasuoni ikwe amazu kosuonu kosuonu kukosuona no please man.
Can somebody tell me that I'm dreaming? Can somebody wake me from this nightmare? Can somebody tell me it's an illusion? This cannot be reality.
God, I love my brothers. I love them so much, God. Obinanikinna, I just hope that God gives you the wisdom
open your minds and your hearts so that you know that I love and miss you too. I miss you people so much.
Can somebody tell me that I'm dreaming? Can somebody wake me from this nightmare?
Baby, I was amazed. I was amazed to hear what your brothers did to you.
Do you know they chased me out of your house the other time? They were angry that I came asking of you. Can you imagine that?
I really don't know what to say. The only thing that keeps ringing in my head is, it is well.
Yeah, it is well. But I really don't understand what is wrong with them. What's their problem? Ikena and Obina, even their wives. You really love them, you know. The other day I saw your brothers. They were acting like individuals under the influence of something. They were acting as if they are under a spell. Something is definitely wrong somewhere.
I wouldn't know what the problem is, but you know what, let's just forget about that. How did you locate my village?
Oh, that.
Because I lost my phone and I don't remember giving you direction to this place.
Yeah, I tried calling your number. It wasn't reachable. Sometimes it says switched off.
Oh.
So I asked around and fortunate for me, someone gave me the right direction to your house. And I'm here.
You're welcome.
Thank you very much. But seriously, how can they label you a witch? That's absurd.
I'm not a witch.
Yes, you're not. God forbid.
And God knows I will never be one. But the truth is, I really miss them. Yeah. I love my brothers so much.
I understand how you feel.
What do I offer you?
Nothing. I'm fine. I'm happy seeing you.
And I hope it wasn't difficult for you locating this place, because sometimes the roads to my place can be confusing.
No, it wasn't difficult. You see, I was lucky to have asked the right person that gave me the right direction to your house.
Oh, I see.
So, why don't you go inside and wear something nice? I'd love to take you out and also buy you a new phone.
I don't think that will be necessary. Moreover, I'm not even in the mood to go out.
No, come on. Okay? Allow me to do this for you, Gochi. Let me take you out and buy you a phone. You know what? Don't say no. Let's hang out. And also I'll buy you a new phone. At least I'll be able to call you, check up on you, and also know how you're faring.
Okay. Alright, let me just change into something better.
Alright, I'll wait.
I have warned you never to come into this house and talk about that witch again.
Obina, your sister is not a witch.
Of course, she's a witch.
What has come over you? What is wrong with you? She's not a witch. What's your problem?
Hey, Oga. Listen, I don't know what your problem is. But with the way I am looking at you right now, it's obvious that you're insane.
Of course it's insane.
You're insane. What is your problem?
Oh, I know what you want. You want to sleep with her and get her pregnant. What's my business? Do I look like I give a damn? I don't care. Sleep with a witch, get a witch pregnant is none of my business. Okay, if you don't have things to do, go home and sleep, Biko.
Ikenna, you're far from the truth.
So what then is the truth?
You know very well that I love your sister so much. And I'm ready to marry her any day, anytime. You know that. And that's the truth. But she is not a witch. Listen, guys. Have you bothered to ask yourself this question? What if someone is using her image, using her face to portray her as a witch to you guys? Just to cast this aspersion on her. Have you bothered to ask yourself that question? Use your head. Be smart. Think. Apply wisdom in things like this. Obina, come on. Have you forgotten so soon? The same sister you're calling a witch, have you forgotten how she toiled so hard for you? To take care of you and your brother? Have you forgotten so soon? The only crime she committed was loving the both of you endlessly. Yes. Here you are, calling her a witch.
Use your head, bro. You should use your head. You should use your head.
Enough! How dare you? You have the guts, the infantry to walk into this compound and spin nonsense? Obina! Bundle this maggot and trash him out of this compound this minute!
You heard what she said. Obina, bundle this maggot and trash him out of this compound. Oga, let's go.
Immediately!
Oga, stand up! On action! One leg.
Carry him now! What are you doing?
If you are walking, you move.
Use your strength!
Are you? Oga, whoever. She's not a witch.
Beat it up, be shot.
She's not a witch.
Can you imagine this one?
Baby, please.
Sit down and continue.
So sorry for the interruption. Very irresponsible.
Hey! I don't want to ever see that injustice in this house. Ha! Have I understood?
Yes, exactly. I'm sorry.
Give me what you need.
What am I to see here, Nana? Yeah?
I don't want me there.
I don't understand. Why would they chop meat anyhow now?
Now you cook am.
Because now you cook am, you dey chop the meat. I never even take one, you don't chop like 4 meats. What kind of nonsense be this? So this is why they look saying meat, no be even meat. I don't blame you. I mean I need to chop now. Why now?
If you pay, you go and cook.
Now you buy the food.
You think it's easy to cook.
Think it's easy to cook. Because you cook, you know how work.
You sabi cook.
You sabi bring money.
You sabi cook.
You sabi bring money. You know what? I'll leave one for you.
You no go leave on. I don't that. Oh, nah. Oh, there's no vegetable here again. But if I don't like it, you are doing it. Now you already show you superior.
You do anyhow. Because I follow the chop for same place. Don't worry.
Don't follow me chop now.
I don't leave one for you now. Chop everything. I did my deal now. Enjoy myself. But punish it and check him. Hey! Food on the belly. We could melt them now.
Brother?
Sister?
Just now we just finished shopping.
Get when they supposed to tie him. Anytime we shark you, tie him.
It's my business, so. Because if you just finish this thing you are tying now, the whole food in the pot is gone.
I'm concerned, you know. Food.
It's my food though.
Now you buy ingredients. You know how much for ingredients for market?
And now this kind of thing they do now, they make you and pad get problem.
No,
Any small thing now.
No, just bring that nonsense man name for my side again. What kind of nonsense be that? And they talk, call that nonsense man name. Now I they try to reactivate myself now. And they tap all my old contacts. Nobody they even look my face.
Okay.
Everybody lose guard me. Eh? Small boys normally for street when I mean they coordinate. Now they look me less. They carry shoulder for me. I just sure saying that Papa Juju, that Papa Shrine, and they scatter things from my life. If not by now, I know where I supposed to be. But I swear to God, if I catch that man anywhere, I go pump in jaw. It's no good. I swear to God.
For you to be coming down. Any small thing now, you don't be shout.
Tell me coming down. No be coming down. No be coming down. Won't come like
this. Is your type of coming down. That one no follow. We go finish our food.
This type nine good though. Get your own. Yeah, get my own.
We go find where you go chop.
Do anyhow. If you don't give me food, I'll use my hand package you. Yes, I go mix anything I go use for that plate.
And for Saturday 2 days. You know something.
We'll check out. Check out. Which kind of nonsense be this now? Eh? Which kind of nonsense be this? Nonsense.
What you don't understand is that you feel I don't know how to dance because I'm your brother. You can dance, so forget this. I can dance very well. You know. You can dance before.
What the heck is going on here? Ikena, you guys are discussing? You guys are not washing.
No, we're about to.
You are yes. Come on, let's shut up. You lazy prodigal son.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I was.
Who is a lot? Get up! I'm saying, get up, my friend, get up! Don't provoke me.
I'm sorry, I was not.
Our love. Who is your love? These people are too lazy. And you, what are you still doing? Can you imagine? I've told you I gave you this people so much privilege. I said it. Can you imagine? I have something to show you. Baby, all these idiots will come back. Let me see. Look at this picture. Wow. You like it? I love it. I know. Oh my God, this is beautiful. Thank you. Oh gosh. You really have a great taste. I can't say that again. Oh. Guess what? Guess. Guess? Yeah, I can guess. Okay. Ikena is building it to bless my father's compound. Oh my God. Wow. This is good. Of course, I know. Baby girl, you're blushed already. Well, I mean, who wouldn't? Congratulations. Thank you. And one more thing. We are moving out soon. Oh, thank you, Jesus, Holy Mary, Mother of God. What's that? You guys have been convincing me already. You must be kidding me, right? Honestly, I'm so happy. I can now have the space I need. Like all alone in this beautiful house, I can breathe. Wait, so I told him to get us a very good apartment so we can live and give your husband the space you desire. I can't wait. I am trekking already. You see that idiot in the village? She's the one that just put all of us together in this same mess. Are you still talking about that? As if we are sardine. Please let us talk about people that are alive. Ozumulang. You're still remembering her? Local champion. Her life will never be better. At all. She will remain in that village. Amen. And she will die in that village. Amen. What is keeping these two brothers? We have to be so hard. Oh gosh. God help me. I don't keep so much.
Yes, my love.
May thunder blast at your mouth. Are you stupid? So you want to tell me that you did not see the clothes I kept on the bed for you to wash? Are you so blind that you cannot see?
I'm sorry I didn't see you.
Sorry for your stupid self.
Ikenna, it's okay.
I am talking to my husband, you dumbhead. And as for you, make sure you wash it very clean. Ikenna, if you don't wash it very clean, I promise you, you will not eat in this house for the next 3 days. And one more thing. Ikenna, let me not see you using my washing machine. What did I say?
I should not use the washing machine.
Good. You must wash it manually with your hands. If I catch you anywhere around my washing machine, you will know the kind of wife you got married to. What are you? Let me get back to work. Foolish people. Foolish brothers.
What are you waiting for? You wash the clothes now. I will wash it now. You concentrate and wash your own car. You better wash it well, if not you will not eat this night. Wash your own well if not you will not eat.
Can somebody wake me from this nightmare? Can somebody tell me it's an illusion? This cannot be reality. I'm nearly by my I'm married to right now. Oh, beauty while I'm boy. Oh, beauty while I'm boy. Can somebody tell me it's an illusion? This cannot be reality. I'm in the limbo. I'm married to a man now. Oh, beauty while I'm boy. Oh, beauty while I'm boy.
Hey! Yay!
1, 2, 3. Alright! We remove hedges! Remove hedges! 1, 2. To our loving, caring, and amiable sister, whom without her struggle and effort, we wouldn't be putting on this uniform today. We want to spread our heart of thanksgiving, our joy, and our voice of praise to you and to God Almighty, who has given us the strength and hope to fight a good fight of faith. To our dearest big sister, you will forever remain in our heart. We love you to the moon and back. You are our sunshine, our icon, our role model, our living mother. We bless the day God gave you to us. Without you, we would have not seen today. We love you forever.
I love you so much.
Apple now. We love you. Apple now. We love you. Parrot! Replace hedges! Replace hedges! 1, 2. Ashwaya!
Oh my God! Congratulations!
Let's get mad for reality. I'll nearly Can somebody tell me that I'm dreaming? Can somebody wake me from this nightmare?
I really don't know what is going on. I don't understand it. Do you know I've been calling my brothers on phone? They don't take my calls.
This is flabbergasting. I must confess. I mean, I'm shocked. What could be the problem? What's going on?
I don't know. I don't. Anyway, I just want to say thank you for the other day. Thank you for your kind words, the words of encouragement, everything you did, including the phone you got for me. God bless you. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. I'm happy you like the phone. Meanwhile, don't you think it's hard time you let your uncle know about what's going on and bring him into the picture?
I don't think that would be necessary, although he was here some days ago, but I told him not to worry. I just believe God will take care of everything in his own time.
That's true. And what's up with you? This your herb. Why are you taking it?
It's just for a minor illness I have, but I'll be fine, or I'm getting better rather.
I see.
Yes, I'm okay. Yes.
I see. You're taking after your father, right?
Well, maybe. You know, he treated people with herbs and roots, and so...
I can relate. Meet Pastor Paulina. Pastor Paulina, meet my friend Ugochi. Pastor Paulina here, she's my neighbor. We live in the same estate. Her block is very close to my own block. She called me this morning and told me of a revelation she had about you. Though I was used as a point of contact in that revelation just to connect to you. So that's why we're here. I brought her to come tell it to you face to face.
Yes, my dear. Please put on a smiley face. How are you?
I'm fine. I'm fine, Pastor.
You've been crying since last night. Yes. I saw you in the vision of the night crying seriously. And I saw you holding a picture. A picture of, I believe, your two brothers. I saw everything while I was praying. The Holy Spirit revealed to me and He directed me to meet your friend here, my neighbor. The Holy Spirit told me He knows everything you're passing through, and that is why we are here. Don't worry, Ugochi. The Lord has remembered you today.
Amen.
Dangerous things are going to happen today. Except I don't serve a living God. But I know I serve a living God. The same yesterday, today, and forever. The God that said yes, no man say no. The God that built heaven and earth, yet He was not created. The Lion of the tribe of Judah. That same God of Elijah. The God of Moses. The God of Daniel. The God of Shadrach, Meshach, and Abednego. Those evil enchantments against your brothers must be broken today.
Amen.
I did not say tomorrow. I said today.
Amen.
Oh, Jesus. Jesus. I serve a living God. I know the God that I serve. The God that says yes, no man say no. The God that says yes, no man say no. The God that built and no one can break. Oh God, I thank you.
Hey, my dear.
He's so nice living with you.
Ouch!
Are you stupid?
I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Do you want to injure me? He came now, please.
Sorry. I'm sorry. Sorry, please.
You were saying something? Yes, so I said I wish we don't have to live here. You know, the way we are living together, the way everything is going to just like it. Stop wishing. Go to your new house. Okay, so now I want to breathe. Okay. We are leaving tomorrow already, so better. Thank God. You will miss me. Miss fire. But I will miss you, Sha. But all the same, I need my space. Duh. Enchantment against your brothers must be broken today. Amen. I did not say tomorrow, I said today.
Amen.
Father, I know you have answered. Ancient of days, I thank you, the Lion of the tribe of Judah, the God of Shadrach, Meshach, and Abednego, the fourth man in the fire, Amen. The Lion of the tribe of Judah, Amen. That same God that shot the mouths of the lion, Amen. The same God that was saved Elijah by fire. Amen. I call upon you today, Lord. Answer the family of Ugochi. Amen. We have to pray against the bottle. I am seeing a bottle. We are going to break that bottle. Pray against broken bottle. Father, we stand on the grace of Jesus Christ of Nazareth. I decree and I declare every satanic bottle, I command you be broken out. Fire. I said be broken out. Fire. I said be broken out. Let the fire of God. Let it destroy those bottles. Let that bottle be broken out. Hey! Something must happen today. I did it so that your sister Come and wash my clothes. Come and wash my clothes.
What is going on?
What's
the meaning of this?
What's the meaning of this? So that you will hate your sister. I did it. To wish your sister. Yes.
Where's sister?
I did it.
Where's our sister?
I did it. I did it.
You did what?
I did it. I did it.
What? Why would you do such a thing?
Come and wash my clothes.
I swear if you touch me, I will slap you.
Come and wash my clothes.
Because you want to go, leave me alone.
I was standing. I forgot in the bottle.
Jesus Christ.
You cannot massage me now. What would you do such a thing? I did it. Massage me now. Massage me now. I did it.
Get out.
Massage me now. I did it.
What's the meaning of this now? Where are you going to? Are you? What's going on? Which does? Where's sister? Where's my phone? Sister?
You are HIV negative. How did you do it?
Doctor, it might sound strange or sad. I don't even know how to explain it, but I would say
It's divine healing. I took some herbs and roots. I don't even know how to explain. I don't know, but I'll just say it's divine healing, doctor.
Miracles happen.
Yes, it does.
Congratulations.
Thank you very much, doctor. Can I help you? Thank you. Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Yeah, how are you? Just, Joe. Yeah, please. How did it go?
Listen, guys, I tried my best. I tried all I could, but she didn't budge. She refused. She's hot at the moment. She's heartbroken. So she wouldn't even listen to me. I did my best. I really tried. I tried. I'm really sorry. Okay? Just give her some time, Just allow her, let her heal. I believe she'll come around. Excuse me. I really tried. I did my best. Excuse me.
What did you do? Sister. We're very sorry. We are deeply sorry. Please. Please forgive us. We are sorry. We are sorry for everything. Sister, please forgive us. We are deeply sorry, please. Sister, forgive us. Sister, please. We are deeply sorry, sister. We are sorry. Forgive us for everything. Please. Sister, be good. Be good.
It's okay.
I'm sorry.
It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. I forgive you too. And I've missed you too so much. Stand up.
Thank you.
God bless you too. God bless you too.
Thank you. I missed you so much. Thank you.
Chiamaka! Chiamaka! Chiamaka, come on. Come. You don't have to. Jay! Amaka, my guy just sent me money now. So make I do my papers, do my bali, make I come Canada.
1.5.
Which one be 1.5?
You borrow your pass down.
Who tell say you borrow me? Person dash me money. Wait first. How many zeros you see here? No, look inside this thing now. How many zeros you see for that thing?
1, 2, 3.
Hey! Funny Satan. Hey! Funny Satan. I tell you something inside the wine. Hey, don't stop.
Papa, you come and steal. I'm now why you covering my mouth? Let me.
Why they call Papa for here?
Is it not your father?
But something will just come for me now. You won't call Papa, make him spoil everything. Don't say that man a witch.
Nah, your father now.
But wait though. This one way better thing happen for me like this. You sure say Papa never die somewhere? Because Papa guys die before better thing go happen for me.
Hi. But why are you like this? Eh? Why are you now wishing your own father dead?
Good person.
Are you saying you cannot receive anything good of your father?
No worry, we heard it.
Hey! Hey, whoa, my mother is going to Canada. So, my brother.
Somebody tell me that I'm dreaming. Can somebody wake me from this nightmare? Can somebody tell me it's an illusion? This cannot be reality. I'm nearly where Anya miri jurumanya, obieti wala moy, Anya miri jurumanya.